be honest, I believe my supervisor found you guys on Google.
I Googled. I said I need cleaning services near me.
So I found you guys store on Nextdoor. Find out about their ratings.
Oh, someone recommended you guys in a local Facebook group. It's the Prospect Leftist Gardens in Brooklyn Friends Facebook.
Well, they have I think you said it was a 5-star rating.
Well, actually, also the cleaning services that you offer, because of the dust and every time this is our own house, right? We come in, I'm coming in after work, I would smell the dust in the air, and I said, this needs to be cleaned. Not just like cleaned up like the floors, but this air and everything that's here needs to be cleaned. And
so you do not smell anything in here, such as your Pine Sol or your Mr. Clean or your Lysol. It has a fresh air smell. There may be some lemon I'm smelling in the atmosphere.
No, that's exactly it. Yeah, you don't smell any cleaning products. Yeah.
You know, I didn't even notice that, but now you're right, because usually there's a strong like chemical smell, but I don't smell that at all.
I was desperately looking for someone to come clean out this apartment that I have. It's a tenant unit that I have, and just do a massive deep cleaning.
we have construction and such.
We're moving into our new office. There's been a lot of construction and painting going on.
Well, I had actually tried someone before I had tried you guys, and they just did a subpar job in terms of getting everything really clean and getting everything just top notch.
How would you describe the service before getting the cleaning?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 12.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. And we just met. I appreciate that. Wow. Okay, cool. Thanks, bro.
Honestly, like that is full disclosure, no bias. Like I said, you guys came in, you knew exactly where to go. I didn't have to come in and tell you what to do. I just we worked together. You guys weren't pushy.
Oh, everything was great. I think from getting like a quote was really good because you did a walkthrough, and that was really great, and you were very responsive and followed up right away. And then coming in, you came, you let me know when you were coming. So I was expecting you. Everything was done really quick and easy.
So I think Eco Cleaning Pro has provided excellent services. Not only has Percy have communicated with us and let us know his availability, has been on time for the job. When I walked in, it was immaculate. You can clearly see the difference. The windows are nice and clean and clear. You can see through our beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows. The walls look great. The furniture in the office looks awesome as well. Yes, my name is Tiffany. I'm a director for University Settlement Early Childhood Services.
So my name's Emmanuel Genti. I'm a sales agent with Ivy North. You guys seemed like you were precise. You guys knew exactly what services to provide for the properties. But what really impressed me is when we came in and you guys did the walkthrough, you guys were just able to spot different areas, and you guys were able to lend your expertise and tell me exactly what I would need to do and able to best showcase the property.
So overall, did you say that we gave you what you expected?
Oh yeah, expected and beyond too. So so I really appreciate it. It was really good.
Oh, wow.
And the first time, and what I really appreciate specifically from you is that when you come, is that you stay all day and you make sure everything is 100% done, and then some. And you're so thoughtful and you're so incredible, and then everything's spot.
Yeah, I think like expect great customer service and everything. Wait, sorry, now I feel like I should start over. But I highly recommend it. The steam cleaning is the extra plus, and I think like the communication is really good. It feels like you're always following up, so I felt very safe about like, all right, I know they're coming, and I know they'll do a good job, and they'll care.
And he responds quickly. As soon as you email, he will get back to you with a phone call, or if you text message, he gets back to you immediately.
For all of your cleaning solutions, call that guy. Call Percy at Eco Cleaning Pro. Call Percy. Him and his team, they're true professionals. They're amazing. They get the job done. They don't complain, and it looks amazing.
You make sure everything is 100% done, and then some. And you're so thoughtful and you're so incredible, and then everything's spotless.
You did a very good job.
First of all, as you can see, when I first got the list, it was super dark in here. I was even kind of scared to walk through here, right? But now, as you can see, the shades are down, the windows are clean, so you can see all of the natural light that's able to come in. Everything looks so nice and clean and white, and and it looks like it's market ready. It looks like it's ready to just hit the market, and hopefully we get a good buyer. You guys are, you're great at what you do. The response time is amazing.
Thank you. And the customer's here, and he is taking a look. I'm sorry, what did you say?
It's a good job. It's perfect.